Have you ever wondered what's behind the magic of 3D printing? The moment when your imagination takes form, layer by layer, in front of your eyes? Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing, exploring some of the most cutting-edge machines that are turning dreams into reality. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a curious newbie, these printers are designed to inspire and innovate. Let's find out what makes them so special. Number 5. Creality K1, where versatility meets quality. The Creality K1 is the epitome of versatility and precision in 3D printing. With a large build volume and high-resolution capabilities, it caters to the needs of professionals, makers, and artists alike. Its robust frame ensures stability during printing, while the silent stepper motor drivers provide a quiet work environment. Ease of use is a priority with the Cone, featuring an intuitive touchscreen interface that makes navigating through settings a breeze. The auto-bed leveling feature further simplifies the printing process, ensuring that each print starts on the right foot. Whether you're working with standard PLA flexible TPU or other filaments, the K1 is up to the task. With remote printing capabilities and a resume print feature that safeguards against interruptions, the Creality K1 offers both convenience and reliability. It's a comprehensive tool that meets the needs of both novice and advanced users. Number 4. Bambu Lab, a 1 mini small size, big potential. For those who need a compact solution without sacrificing quality, the Bambu Lab, a 1 mini, is the ideal choice. This printer is designed to fit in small spaces while still offering high-resolution printing capabilities. Whether you're working on delicate prototypes or detailed models, the A1 Mini ensures precision with each layer. Despite its small footprint, the A1 Mini is packed with features. Its sturdy construction guarantees stability and consistent results, print after print. It supports a variety of filament materials, allowing for creativity without constraints. Plus, its quiet operation makes it a perfect fit for home or office environments. One of the standout features of the A1 Mini is its auto bed leveling function, which simplifies setup and ensures optimal bed adhesion. And with wireless connectivity, you can manage and monitor your prints from a distance, giving you flexibility and control over your workflow. Number 3. Creality Ender 3 V3 SA performance without breaking the bank. Affordable 3D printing without compromise? That's the promise of the Creality Ender 3 V3 SA. This printer is perfect for beginners and experienced users alike, offering impressive accuracy, stability, and versatility. With its large build volume, you're not limited in what you can create, whether it's large prototypes or detailed miniatures. The Ender 3 V3 SE can handle it all. What makes this model stand out is its silent stepper motor drivers, ensuring a quiet printing experience even during long print jobs. And like its more expensive counterparts, it features a resume printing function, so you never have to worry about power interruptions ruining your projects. The flexible and removable build surface makes it easy to remove finished prints, while its auto-bed leveling sensor ensures a hassle-free start every time. A robust frame and improved extrusion system mean this printer produces smoother and more consistent prints, making it a reliable choice for anyone looking to get serious about 3D printing. And with its easy assembly, you can be up and printing in no time. Number 2. Anycubic Photon M5S speed and precision combined. Picture this, a resin printer that levels itself, eliminating the guesswork and frustration of manual leveling. Enter the Anycubic Photon M5S, the first self-leveling resin printer that's as smart as it is fast. With an astounding x-axis resolution of 11,530 pixels, this printer delivers unmatched detail. It's so precise, it can render details finer than a human hair, thanks to its 12K monochrome LCD screen. Speed is where the M5S really shines. With an average print speed of 105 mm/hour, it's up to 3 times faster than traditional resin printers. And it's not just about speed. The M5S uses a newly developed ultra-thin, high-speed resin and a special AFC release film that minimizes the force needed to peel the print off the glass between layers. This means you get smoother, faster prints without sacrificing quality. Number 1. Solle SV7, redefining the limits of creation. Imagine being able to bring your most intricate designs to life without the frustration of dealing with cumbersome setups or limited capabilities. That's where the Solle SV7 steps in. With a massive build volume, the SV7 allows you to create large, complex 3D prints effortlessly. Think of it as the artist's canvas, now expanded to accommodate even the grandest of visions. From imaginative art projects to practical parts for prototyping, this machine does it all. But what really sets the SV7 apart is its direct drive extrusion technology. This means you can handle a variety of filaments, including flexible materials, with precise control, ensuring consistent results every time. No more worrying about filament jams or inconsistent layers. The SV7's design makes sure your print quality is always top-notch. And speaking of ease, the SV7 features an auto-leveling bed. Remember the frustration of manually leveling your print bed before every job? Those days are gone. The auto-leveling feature ensures a perfectly level print surface every time, saving you both time and effort. Plus, with a user-friendly touchscreen interface, navigating settings and monitoring progress has never been simpler.